today we're gonna make a new run, but for finding the mean point to copy, we are not using Dex Screener. We're gonna roll with another platform. Now, I'm just going to go on pump.fun. Okay, nice. So once we're on pump.fun, it's gonna show us a bunch of coins. Now, these are just, small meme coins posted on pump.fun. These are small market caps, as you can see here, 8K, 12K, 9K. Now we're gonna take a trending topic. How are we gonna do this? We're gonna look through and see what's trending, what's coming up a lot. You see, we're getting a lot of chill guy right now. So I think we're gonna do a chill guy. Look, as you can see, this meme right here is already being created and it's getting buyers. So we might copy something like this. Okay, so let's copy this coin right here. Okay, so as you can see, we have copied the token. Now, there's two important steps to this website. The supply, you wanna set the supply to 1 billion. Just like this, with 9 zeros. Okay, so nice. Now you want to make the description. I just use ChatGPT to make the description up here. It doesn't really matter. And we're going to select credit info. This is optional, but I recommend doing this. Also, I recommend adding social tags and links just if you want to boost your meme coin attraction. But today we're not going to be using that. We're just going to be using credit name and credit website's name. Now, these are the investors booster. Now, you need to select these options if you want to actually, remove the liquidity on radium.com. Sorry, radium.io. But yeah, everything looks perfect here. And make sure you add your image. And yeah, now connect your wallet. Confirm. Okay, nice. Double check everything. Click launch token. Proceed. Confirm. Now, the reason I say is all this is because the API is not verified yet, but I can promise you guys it's safe. And if you don't trust it, then, just simply don't use it. It's completely up to you. But yeah, click confirm. Nice. Now we just want to wait for the coin to be made. Okay, congratulations, your Solana token has been successfully created. Now you just want to click view on Solana Explorer. Nice. As you can see, just want to wait for it to load. Okay, so nice. When you've got your coin like you right here, you want to click this button right here, click copy, go over to Dex Screener, just click onto any random coin, make sure it's on this Solana blockchain, just re-copy out the address here, so you can go onto and access your coin quicker, so you don't have to wait for it to appear, which will take approximately like 10 minutes. This just saves time. Okay, so now after you've done this, you just want to back with that, whatever. Okay, it's gonna say token of parent not found. So while you're doing this, you want to create the liquidity pool. Simply go over to Radium, click Array, click Standard AMM, click Continue. But you can see we have connected our wallet, 8 Sol in the balance. Okay, so now you want to select this and you want to change it to your. So put the token address in here. Nice. Okay, now you want to select. You want to do the name. So what was our name again? So I guess I forget, after doing so much claims. That was the symbol and that's the name. Like we just clear out this symbol and then click add. That you can see the supply is 1 billion here. So you just want to select that. Okay, nice. Now you want to go to select this radium, select Sol because you need Sol. Now we're going to set the liquidity pool to just 1 Sol because that's all we need. Like I showed you in the beginning, doesn't really matter how much Sol you use. Select the tier fee as 2%. I mean, just put this to 900 million. There we go. And then click initialize liquidity pool. Wait for this to load. It should be a quick process. You're just creating a liquidity pool. Okay, so there you go. So your 1 Sol goes, and then you get your tokens back. Don't worry, guys, you're not losing anything. You'll get these tokens back. You can swap your tokens back into Sol and up the rugpull. Click confirm, and I'll just wait. Okay, pool created. When you get a prompt, there we go. Pool created. Got it. Now you want to go over to portfolio, go over to standard. Now you just want to wait for your pool to show up here. It should take 5 to 10 minutes. If it takes any longer, then just be patient. It will pop up. Sometimes we've had cases where it takes 20 minutes just because, I don't know, maybe your internet is bad or something like this with a blockchain. But yeah, now you want to sit on DexViewer and just wait, keep refreshing until your coin loads. Okay, so I'll be back in approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so our coin has been made. As you can see, we're already getting buyers. $7, $4. So in dollars, $2, some buys here. Look, we could have literally early got away with $20, you know. But obviously, we're not going to take on $20. We're going to wait till we get and see more profit. So we're going to select this till 1 second so we can see what's going on here. Let's zoom in here. So we can see what's happening. Okay, nice. So we're getting buys, we're getting sales. It's going up. It's looking cool. Okay, so now we just want to wait. The coin just come out. It's going to be getting listed on all the websites. You know, it's only 2 minutes. I'd say give it until, you know, 5 to 10, 20 minutes, and you're going to start seeing real buyers. So I'm going to put time lapse on, and you guys, you're going to see everything what happens. And yeah. As you can see, the coin is performing pretty good here. And I just checked our Radium liquidity pool has loaded. So now if you want to click onto this, you want to click this minus and make sure you click the minus and remove liquidity, as you can see here. But just like this all the way till again to see how much profit you have made. Okay, we've made $400 profit so far. Now, take away D1 Sol. So this is just about maybe $290 or $300 profit. Okay, so now you want to go back to your coin and just keep watching it, you know, watching what happens and wait for the right time. I think actually though, I'm going to sell it very shortly here because, you know, it's doing pretty good. As you can see, people are starting to sell, so it can't pop off at any time, anything that happened to it. But yeah, we'll just watch it for a minute and see what happens. Sell this, we're going to sell everything. We have here profit for 82, so it's got a little bit more. I would try to do, you just want to, let me make sure I'm recording here. You just want to click ahead, remove liquidity. You want to wait for that. Take a second. You want to be quite quick with this. Wait for it to load, could confirm. Okay, nice, remove it. Okay, nice. Liquidity removed. Now you want to go back to the client. As you can see, yeah, it did pop off a little bit more there. But as you could see, the liquidity got removed right here 18 seconds ago. Removed. Now what this means is the coin has liquidity just gets removed basically. Now a lot of people are going to start selling, and pretty much yeah, the sales would start coming through. As you can see. Okay, nice. So let's look at our portfolio. Let's see how much we pocketed. So we started with, I think it was 1,000. Obviously, the type, it was 1,200. And then we have 1,500. So I don't know how much exactly we made, but it was definitely more than $200. I think it's $250. We made profit right here. But yeah, we've ended with 10.3 sold, and I'm happy with that. So yeah, I'm probably gonna run it back to back. I gotta go take a shower, but yeah, I'm gonna have this video posted. I hope you'll like it, and much appreciated if you'd like to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah.